Hi, I'm Laura Thomas, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas wreath. Things you will need are a florist Oasis, some foraged foliage, dried oranges, cinnamon, some foraged pine cones, and some additional decorations that you can choose yourself. First of all, you need to wire up your wreath Oasis. This wire we're actually going to attach, and it's not going to be cut until we've finished putting all the foliage on the wreath. You're going to need a good bit of wire. After wiring up your wreath, grab your foliage. I've pre-cut bits, and the idea is that you place them in your hand and you fan them out. Place your fanned out greenery on the Oasis, securing the foliage to the Oasis by wrapping the wire around twice. After securing your first bit of foliage, you need to then repeat the process all the way around the Oasis. Then, once you get more foliage fanned out in your hand, gently, slightly overlap and repeat the process of the wire. Keep fanning the wreath, overlapping until you reach all the way round the wreath back to the beginning again. To finish your wreath, cut your wire so you've got long enough that you can wrap it around twice and poke it back into the Oasis just like you did at the beginning. So your wreath is now all secure and is ready to be decorated. Next stage, wiring up your decorations. Cut yourself a length of wire, poke it through your fruit, fold it in half and twist so you've got a nice long tail to stab it into the Oasis. Then cut the tail so it's nice and neat. Then evenly space your decorations by placing them on the wreath and finding out where you would like them to hang. And then secure by pushing the wire in between the foliage straight into the Oasis. Finish my wreath off by putting a few white dried daisies into the wreath. Final stage of your wreath is to cut about 1 meter of ribbon. Thread your ribbon underneath your Oasis and thread it back through itself so you've got a nice big loop. Tie the ends together and then cut to neaten off your ribbon.